Hey everybody, it's Diana. I know I haven't really been posting a whole lot of videos, and the last ones came when I was in LA a few weeks ago. I have made more videos prior to the one that I'm going to be uploading today, which is the March IPSY. I do have a February IPSY, my last BoxyCharm, my last 6 months of BoxyCharm video, and I think another video besides. I've just been caught up in life. Forgive me, and I wanted to post something, so I'm going to post this one. Plus, I want to start using these products. So, IPSY is a once a month prescription, a once a month subscription. They always come in cute little bags. They're different every month. They usually come in the mail in these little bubbles. I paid for mine for a year in advance, so when you do that, you do get a month free. It's about $10 a month. So that basically covered the tax for the year, but needless to say, I'm really digging this cute rose gold bag, and off she went to change the world. And man, if that hasn't been my life in the last month or so, that is a wonderful mantra, and I hope you guys are all off to change the world. And even if you're not a girl, you should be off to change the world too. So let's see what we got. They always have like a little info card. So this is National Women's History Month. I'm not going to peek at anything. Oh, wait. There's more. So you can go to ipsy.com/shop/Shiro to score dozens of female-founded brands. There's a beauty quiz makeover. And they're going to give away 50 Glam products plus $1,000 cash. Oh my god, I can't talk today. I feel like my brain's been just like malfunctioning. So yeah, there's that info if you're interested in that. Let's see what we got this month. So we got a cute little Ciate London Lip Luster in the shade Wildfire. If you can kind of see that. I'll swatch it in just a minute. That's really cute. I like getting the minis on lip stuff. It's kind of like a sparkly orange red, if you can see that. Because I don't tend to go through full sizes, so this will be really fun to try. I don't have any Ciate London. Alright. We got a little Skin Iceland limited edition berry lip fix with wintered red algae. So it looks like a chapstick. We will check that out as well. I also like getting minis of these. They're really nice to throw in your purse. I think maybe not since high school have I ever gone through a full-size chapstick. So this is kind of cool. Might be more of like a treatment, but isn't that what chapstick is? Oh, it looks like we got another brush. This is by Cheek, and it's a blush brush. Very cool. I like getting new brushes. I've never heard of that brand. And then we've got IPSY Beauty Lush. Oh, I'm sorry, not IPSY. IBY Beauty Blush Eyeshadow and Get Soaked. Maybe this is a poolside collection. Let's open it up. This is going to be a shaky video. Bear with me. I'm actually doing a thing where I want to use a lot of my small single shadow, well, any of my single shadows that aren't depotted and stuff like that, and use that as my eyeshadow inspiration this month. It's really pretty. It's like a mauve pink. Very pretty. So we will definitely try that. And then one more, and this seems to be a full-size item. I'm really excited. IPSY's usually sample and deluxe sample sizes. Alright, I'm setting this down. Bear with me here, folks. I can already tell what it is. I'm pretty pumped. Open your pool. And I will definitely be giving this a try this month. It is the end of March, literally the last day. This is a full-size ochre highlighter in the shade Star Island. I have some ochre lipsticks I've gotten in BoxyCharms that are pretty nice. But I've never tried the highlighter, and this shade looks right up my alley. It's kind of a light golden color. Pumped to try it. So I thought, alright, let's see if I can swatch a few things for you without getting too annoying. Welcome, this is my house. Yes, I'm watching the disappearance of Madeline McCann. Oh man. Oof. So there is the swatch of the highlighter. It's really pretty. Let's swatch the eyeshadow, the IPSY. Yeah. Ooh, that's more kind of ready than I thought it would be, but it's really pretty. And then we're going to take a quick peek and just make sure, but I'm pretty sure, yep, this is just like a chapstick for the Skin Iceland. And then we'll swatch our Ciate London in Wildfire. Ooh, it's a gloss. It's really pretty. I'll have to excuse my shitty iPhone. Maybe if I move my camera a little bit. Yep. Or put my finger right in front because that's just how we do it. So, really pretty. They all would really go well, very well together. So I'm really happy with the box this month. Or the box, the bag. I got all these wonderful products. So exciting. I really like IPSY. It was a surprise to get a full size. You can never have too many highlighters, or maybe you can. I don't have that many. And brushes. I really feel like you can never have too many brushes. You can rotate them in and out. And it's fun to try new eyeshadows and lip products, especially Ciate. These brands I've heard of before. I think I've heard of IPSY before, but probably from watching IPSY's. The other 2/3 I haven't really heard much about. And this bag is super cute, and I really love it. And I hope you guys got stuff you loved, and I'm going to try to be better with videos. We're going to see what happens. Don't quote me on that. Trying to get life and work and all this other stuff in order, and it is what it is. I think I will do a quick video, too, that I'll post as well today about the loose eyeshadow stuff my boyfriend got me for my birthday. Even though it's a month late, but hey, it's the thought that counts, and probably won't do swatches of those. I probably won't do swatches of those, but we'll see how I feel. The last time I had loose highlighters, I think, was L'Oreal High Intensity Pigments, and that's from a long time ago, and I still own some of mine, so there's that. I just don't really use them, but I'm excited. Alright, I hope you like this video. I know you didn't get to see my beautiful face. I do have new hair now, and I wanted to unveil that in a different video. So, have a good day.